Welcome to the second tutorial. And this tutorial we're gonna teach you how to add different media or source into the video. So I'm gonna do an image first. So add an image. So you can change the source to anything you want, maybe even a person's name. So I'll just keep it as an image for now. Browse and just one image. And here we go. That's it. And come to here, you can put the image feed the screen. So that's what they will see in the screen. That's only one image. It won't change anything. And if you want to add a slideshow, yes, you can add a slideshow. Add a slideshow. For now, I'll probably just use intro. So intro slideshow. Okay, intro slideshow. And that's what we use in the intro slideshow for Sunday streaming. And we want to start when visible. And the duration between that, I think probably 4 seconds. And you can add multiple files. And for now, I just add 2. Okay, and click OK. And you did after, so you will see that's the image that we placed before, and that's a slideshow. Okay, I will just disable that and use it to cover that. Okay, that's slideshow. So as you can see, you can play around with it. I will just play around with it as well. You can add audio input source, audio output source, capture, a browser. Browser is just mean you can add the browsers. For example, you can add a YouTube video feed. So you can in here you're playing some video and you put the URL, the web link in there. It will show the web link. Yeah, just go ahead and play one with it. And for now, probably one of the most important thing I will do is show you how to add a video into that. So media source. In this case, I will do so show you the video of Mike and Lin. Okay, Mike and Lin. Browse. Mike and Lin, welcome. Once it's there, you don't want to have a loop. Yep. So start playing when the source become active. If it loop, it will just keep looping, but you don't want that. And everything seems to be okay. Okay, you see Mike and Lin. And since they're on different ratios, so you might have to crop them in some cases. You either do this, or you either zoom in a bit. I think I did that for Sunday. Just make sure the heads are showing all in the screen. So that's the gray area here is out of screen and gray is out of screen. That means that they're too big. Not necessarily too big, but they are on different ratio. That's it. And you're wondering, why I can't hear the audio? So you can see the audio mixer here, right? And you can see that's my audio, the mic and the auxiliary. Okay, mic auxiliary, and this welcome mic and in. So that's the thing I made for them. So welcome mic and in, and you make sure when you play that, when the audio is not too loud, you can see sometimes it's too loud, go into the red area when they speak louder. So I'm gonna always turn down a bit and come down to here. You go to advanced audio property and you monitor only. mute output. So that's a video. And another thing we do is we want to have put them a screen capture. What a screen capture is mean is we want to show a PowerPoint screen, right? And we can't actually ask Eva to do that because she's doing the worship and someone have to show a PowerPoint. But last time I was showing the PowerPoint with my secondary screen. Okay, so you can't see my secondary screen here, but that's my first screen and secondary screen is over there. And I will add a screen display capture. Okay, come here, display capture, and just display capture. Yep, that's it. I think I just leave it. Display capture over the PowerPoint. Okay, it will show it's I can choose between my first screen and my second screen. I choose my second screen. Okay, see, you can see my second screen. So that's first screen, then I move to my second screen. Okay, you can see that it's my second screen, and that's okay. I'll show my second screen. That's how I did it. Like Peter was asking me how you can did your window display showing both of the screen, and that's how I did it. Yep. Where did we go? Where did we go? Oh, let's go back to this. Where? Okay. And that's gone back to here. Because I have two of my OBS running at the same time. PPT display 2, okay. Display 2, yep. Show once. Monitor 2. Okay, yep. See, that's how I show the screen. And if I want Eva here, Eva can be here. Oops, what did I do? Eva. Whoever worshiper can be in here. And I can have their screen in here. Okay. So that basically concludes the second tutorial.